Hi everyone, C5 Scott here. Welcome back to the garage. Today we got something enjoyable and fun to do today. We're going to be installing this. Now you might be thinking, Scott, that's just an OEM shifter. Well, you'd be partially right. It is an OEM shifter, but it's been modified. We've cut the top of the threads off to give it more of a short shift. We're going to be installing it. Let's go see how it looks next. So I want to show you the difference in the two shifters. So here's the original that I pulled out, and here's the modified one. If you measure the threads, we're at about 1.5 inches of thread all the way to the end, and this one we are only at about 7/8. So we took off about 5/8 of an inch or so. I'd say it's almost 3/4. I mean, even if you line it up here, you're probably even close to 3/4 of an inch that we pulled off of it. So hopefully we're going to get a little bit shorter shift out of this. So let's go back and get this one installed.